KIIT World School Gurugram welcomes new parents with inspiring orientation on mindfulness and holistic growth. Telangana becomes first state to implement SC subcategorization policy. TS TET June 2025 registration begins today. KCET 2025 begins today. New dress code, tight scrutiny in place across Karnataka. Indian student hit hard by Australian student visa overhaul. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I'm Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: KIIT World School Gurugram recently hosted a dynamic parent orientation for new families centered on the theme of mindfulness. The session highlighted the importance of emotional well-being and focus for both children and parents. Guest speaker Ms. Charu Varmani and Ms. Meenu Chopra shared practical real-life strategies to incorporate mindfulness into daily routine. Principal Dr. Nilima Kamra, Headmistress Ms. Rashmi Srivatsa and School Counselor Dr. Rachna Sharma reaffirmed the school's strong commitment to holistic development of children. This emphasizes life skills such as emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and problem solving. Currently, students added warmth and authenticity by sharing their own experiences, reflecting the school's core values of respect, empathy, and integrity. Their stories offered powerful glimpse into the nurturing and positive environment that defines KIIT World School Gurugram. The session left new parents informed and inspired, well equipped to support their children's academic journey and personal growth this coming year. In a holistic move, Telangana has officially implemented SC subcategorization, making the first state to do after Supreme Court verdict empowered state to classify scheduled caste. Effective from April 14th, the policy will guide all future recruitment and education decisions. Spearheaded by Minister Uttam Kumar Reddy, the categorization divides 59 SC subcategories into three groups based on socio-economic backwardness. Group 1, which are 1%, Group 2 9%, and Group 3 with 5% within the 15% SC reservation. Based on the thorough report by Shamin Akhtar, Commissioner, the law ensures fairer distribution without introducing a creamy layer. The Congress government, fulfilling the decade-old demand, emphasized equity while preserving the existence right of all SC communities. The Telangana School Education Department has opened online registration for TS TET June 2025 exam starting from April 15th. The application window closes on April 30 and the exam will be held from June 15 to 30 in two daily shifts, 9 to 11:30 am and 2 to 4:30 pm. Paper 1 is for teaching classes 1 to 5, Paper 2 is for classes 6 to 8, and candidates aiming to teach both must appear for both papers. The fee is Rs 750 for one paper and 1000 for both. Hall tickets will be available from June 9th and results will be declared on July 22. Applicants should read the notifications carefully and follow the steps on the portal to apply. The Karnataka Undergraduate Common Entrance Test KCET 2025 kicked off today with Kannada language paper as over 3.31 lakh students appeared across 775 centers statewide. The main subject exams, physics, chemistry, maths and biology, will be conducted on April 16th and 17th in two shifts, 10:30 to 11:50 am and 2:30 to 3:50 pm. KEA has introduced CCTV surveillance, webcasting and facial recognition via QR codes printed on the hall tickets. A strict neat style dress code is enforced: no full sleeves, no wristwatches, no shoes and minimal jewelry. Security personnel and district officials are overseeing each center. Hall tickets issued on April 6 can be downloaded from the official website. Australia's sweeping student visa reforms aimed at halving net migration by 2025 have sparked anxiety among Indian aspirants. Stricter English requirements, more rigid eligibility norms, and heightened scrutiny of education agents have led to the sharp decline in visa approvals. Indian student visas dropped by whopping 48% between December 2022 to December 2023. Some universities like Central Queensland University and have ever barred applications from India and Nepal for English courses and placed restrictions based on the age and marital status. Driven by a risk rating system, many institutions face downgrade statuses. Delaying visa processing, the resulting uncertainty has led to deferred or withdrawn application. Straining Indo-Australian educational ties, stakeholders fear the reforms may undermine Australia's image as welcoming global education destination. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theinn.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video and subscribe to our channel.